Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the operators in Python. ऑपरेटर जो पाइथन में हैं वो यूज़ किए जा सकते हैं टू परफॉर्म द स्पेसिफिक मैथमेटिकल और लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन एंड द वैल्यूज़ जिन पे ऑपरेटर वर्क करते हैं दे आर नोन एज द ऑपरेंड्स. You can see in the expression 10 plus num. 10 is the value and num is the variable, and both are the operands, and plus sign is an operator. Python supports number of kind of operators, and Python जो है वो उसमें जितने भी ऑपरेटर्स हैं उनमें से अगर हम प्लस और मल्टीप्लाई की बात करें then they can also be used on the strings also. First of all, arithmetic operators which can be used on strings we will discuss plus and multiply. So it plus operator can be used to concatenate two strings on the either of the side of the operator. Means operator की दोनों side पे जो values हैं उनको कंकैटिनेट करने के लिए यूज़ होता है, ज्वाइन करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. स्ट्रिंग 1 इज़ हेलो, str2 इज़ इंडिया, str1 प्लस str2 इट विल गिव यू द आउटपुट हेलो इंडिया. नेक्स्ट इज़ एस्ट्रिक साइन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेटर. मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेटर जब हम अप्लाई करते हैं ऑन द स्ट्रिंग देन इट रिपीट्स द आइटम ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑफ द ऑपरेटर if the first operand is a string and the second operator is an integer value. See the example, str1 is having India. India is a string, and when it is being multiplied by 2 then 2 times India is being displayed. Now coming to the arithmetic operators basically which are used for the numerical values, that are plus, minus, multiply, division, percentage sign and double, slash sign and exponent sign. So plus is for the addition operation. It adds the two numerical values on the either side of the operator. मीन्स प्लस के दोनों साइड पे जो भी ऑपरेटर्स की वैल्यूज़ हैं उनको ये ऐड करेगा. num1 प्लस num2, 5 plus 6 it is giving 11. Similarly minus operator, subtraction operator, subtract the operand on the right from the operand on the left hand side. num1 is 5, num2 is 6. num1 minus num2 it will give you minus 1. Next is multiplication operator. Multiplication operator multiplies the two values on both sides of the operator. You can see num1 is having the value 5, num2 is having value 6. So on multiplying these two, answer will be 30. Similarly, division operator, num1 divided by num2 it will give you the decimal value, that is floating point number 2.5. Next comes modulus operator. Percentage sign is used for the modulus operator. It divides the operand on the left by the operand on the right and it returns the remainder. It will be more clear from the example. num1 is holding value 13, num2 is holding the value 5, and num1 modulus num2 it gives you 3 because on dividing 13 by 5 value quotient is 2 and the remainder is 3, so it is displaying 3. Next operator is floor division. Floor division divides the operand on the left by the operand on the right and returns the quotient by removing the decimal parts. Means it will give you the whole number as the answer or the output. For example, num1 is having value 5, num2 is 2. Then floor division it will give 2 instead of 2.5. आप division में देखिए, division में you are getting output as 2.5, but in floor division 2 means the number after the decimal is being truncated, or you can say only the whole number or the number before the decimal is being displayed. Similarly, num2 floor division num1 it is giving value 0. Next is exponent operator. Exponent operator raise the base to the power of exponent means it will give the output if the number is 1 is 3 and number 2 is 4, then num1 exponent num2 will give 3 raised to the power 4, means 3 will be multiplied by itself 4 times and output will be displayed, that is 81. Now after mathematical operation let us discuss about the relational operators. Relational operator जो हैं वो ऑपरेंड्स के दोनों साइड पे जो वैल्यूज़ हैं उनको कंपेयर करता है एंड जो भी उनमें रिलेशनशिप है दैट इज़ डिटरमिन्ड. सो कंसीडर सम ऑफ द पाइथन वेरिएबल्स. num1 is 10, num2 is 0, num3 is 10. String 1 is defined as a good, string 2 is defined as a afternoon. So for these for the following examples consider these variables. Now let us discuss these one by one. So relational operator first one equals to के लिए डबल इक्वल टू साइन यूज़ किया जाता है एंड इफ़ द वैल्यूज़ ऑफ टू ऑपरेंड्स आर इक्वल, दोनों साइड पे जो वेरिएबल्स हैं ऑपरेंड्स हैं अगर उनकी वैल्यू सेम है देन द आंसर विल बी ट्रू, अदरवाइज द आंसर विल बी और द आउटपुट विल बी फॉल्स. So in this example you can say num1 is having value 10, num2 is having value 0, both are not equal, so that's why it is giving you the false. Similarly, string 1 is having good, string 2 is having afternoon, so good is not equal to afternoon, answer is false. Next is not equal to. Not equal to is if the value of two operands are not equal then the output will be true, otherwise the output will be false. See example, num1 is equal to num2, so num1 is not equal to num2, but so this is giving you true because 10 is not equal to 0, answer is true. Now string 1 is not equal to string 2. This is also giving the value true because good is not equal to afternoon. Similarly, num1 is not equal to num3. This is false because num1 is also holding value 10 and num3 is also holding value 10. Next comes greater than. Greater than, if the value of the operand is greater than the value of the right operand then the condition is true, otherwise it is false. So num1 is greater than num2, 10 is greater than 0, yes it is true. str1 is good, is greater than afternoon, yes, because G comes after A in the dictionary, so one by one character it will check. So first character is greater than the second character in the first character in the second string, so it is clearly true. Next is less than. This is vice versa of greater than operator. Now let us discuss assignment operator. Assignment operator is equal to operator, plus equal to operator, or minus equal to operator. Assignment operators assigns the value from the right side operand to the left hand side operand. Num is 2. Num2 is num1 means num2 will now have a value 2, and on printing num2 output will be 2. Similarly, country is India, and on printing country value is being displayed is India. Next is plus equal to. Num1 is 10, num2 is 2, num1 plus is equal to num2 means num1 is equal to num1 plus num2, that is 10 plus 2. So on printing the value of num1 and output will be 12, and num2 is the same, that is 2. So answer is 2. Similarly, minus equal to operator is there, which is exactly the vice versa of plus equal to. So these are some of the operators, arithmetic and relational and assignment operators we have discussed. Logical operators we will discuss in the next session.